Hello, friends. Today we are going to sunny Spain, or more precisely, to the fabulous island of Mallorca. Our hero is the Hotel Castell Dels Hams, a cozy corner for those who want to combine nature, relaxation, and comfort. Let's see what it can offer us. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it if you love traveling as much as I do. This helps the channel develop and you not to miss new interesting reviews. The hotel is located in the east of Mallorca, near the town of Porto, Cristo, just 2.5 kilometers from the famous Dragon Caves. The place is quiet, surrounded by pine forests, ideal for a relaxing holiday and privacy. The nearest beach is about 10 minutes by bus or taxi. The rooms in the hotel are bright, modest, but clean and well-maintained. Simple furniture, TV, air conditioning, balcony overlooking the garden or pool. The bathroom is standard. Shower, hairdryer, toiletries. Everything works, but nothing fancy. Meals are all-inclusive. The buffet is varied. Spanish, European cuisine, lots of fruit, seafood, and even themed dinners. Snacks between main meals are worth mentioning separately. You definitely won't go hungry. The hotel grounds are surrounded by greenery. There are relaxation areas, small terraces with sun loungers, evening entertainment, live music. The atmosphere is relaxed, without fuss. The main feature of the Hotel Castell Dels Hams is its own mini amphitheater in the garden. It hosts evening shows, concerts, and theme events. It's very soulful and atmospheric, especially on warm summer evenings. Did you know that in Spain there is a proverb, "Adonde el corazón se inclina, el pie camina," which means, where the heart lies, there the foot goes. Mallorca really attracts with its heart, nature, climate, and warmth. There are 2 swimming pools on the hotel grounds, one outdoor, the other indoor and heated. There are sun loungers and a bar where you can order a cocktail. The pools are clean and regularly cleaned. The hotel does not have its own beach, but the nearest bays with crystal clear water are just 10 minutes away. We recommend Cala Anguila and Cala Mandia, stunning views and white sand. There is a mini club for children, a playground, and a separate pool. The animation is aimed at the whole family, including kids. The hotel has a small spa complex with an indoor pool, sauna, and massage room. A gym with exercise machines is also available, for those who do not forget about their fitness even on vacation. The average price for 10 days for 2 is about $1,400 to $1,600, excluding flights, depending on the season and type of food. There are often promotions and last-minute tours. Pros of the hotel: quiet and green location, good food, cleanliness and comfort, cozy area with show programs, suitable for families with children. Cons of the hotel: distance from the beach, modest number of rooms without special repairs, animation not in all languages, small rooms. Guests most often praise the atmosphere, silence, and food. Some note that the rooms need updating. Families with children are happy with their vacation. Couples without children sometimes complain about the distance to the beach. If you want to relax, surrounded by nature, without the bustle of the city, this hotel is for you. But it is better to rent a car or be prepared for trips to the beach. And be sure to go to the evening show. You will not regret it.